Hello everyone, this is Satya from P3 Traders. In the previous video I explained what are all the rules that you need to follow on your day trading practice in our simulation P3 simulator. In this video I'm going to show some of my practice using those rules, and you can able to see how I am practicing. I always do practice in the morning before the market opens to keep me sharp, and also while before going to bed I will do 10 trades in our simulator, and then I will go to bed. So this is my pattern of using simulator. Even though I'm doing in the live market, I always recommend everybody and always myself I will do the simulation trading to keep ourselves sharp. So let's take a new day. So when you press game, so if you see here, it will come as a tooltip. It says a random day since January 2012. Actually it was from 2010. You can able to pick up any day when you click game. So when I click game here, let's see. So if you see here at the bottom, it showed me March 27th 2020. That's the day the system randomly picks. So whenever I'm clicking game, you can able to see multiple different dates coming up. Alright, so as I said, first 6 minutes we won't do any trade. After that I'll be watching. So it is Netflix showing something, but the market is both showing green and red. Now it's more of a green trend showing up with the market. Let's see what are all the green I'm having. So I'm not getting into Nvidia. Let's see. So every 10 minutes it's move on. It is trying to break this resistance, but the volume is not there. I'm waiting for a little more of a volume if I'm getting in, or else I will wait for it, or I will shop for another stock. AWM looks good. I'm getting into it. So when I enter, my exit strategy would be when it hits the benchmark, or if it comes to pivot, I'll be out, or if it comes down the 112 under SA, I'll take the loss and I will come out. That's my strategy right now. So I am going to come out because it's going against my trend. Waited. So 2%, I'm good with it because it hits the bottom and then it came back. So if you see now, it started coming down. You lost that tint coming back. That means you are not getting any markers. These markers, whenever you see the markers, you will see the tint at the back. So here Disney is coming down. It's indicating it's coming down, but the market is mixed, I would say. Market started coming red. So let me wait and see. Oh, BA looks good. Okay, I'm getting in because it's trying to break the previous low. Waiting 12%, 10 seconds, I'll be out. So I entered and exited 39. I entered and exited. I'll take 11%. In reality it could be 9% if you are entering it in the right time and exiting it 9 to 10%. I'm good with it. I can still stay, or I can get out, but 10%, 5 to 10% is always a good profit. I don't want to wait more because the experience or the pressure that you are holding it when you are in the trade is huge. So whenever I get a profit or a little loss, I'll come out and I will look for a fresh trade, so that I'll be keeping myself so calm. I'm not getting into more emotions. So 2 trades per day I always recommend, and then pick up another day. Let's see what day it gives. It gives, if you see here, June 2017, day is 19 June 2017. That's the day system randomly picks up. So I have no clue what system is going to pick me the day, and then I need to practice myself. So once it's done, 6 minutes, no trade. Market looks mixed a little bit. So this is changing between red and green. This is red, green, green. So market is little bit going in a in a mixed direction. So it says like no clear market direction. So I want to little bit wait and see how it goes. I'm keeping an eye on Apple. Okay, it's trying to break the previous high. Again, my entry strategy would be I will enter over somewhere here. My exit would be when it hits there, or exit would be if it comes down. So 4% is that, probably I'd have come out at the 4%. Let's wait and see. 4% I'm done. But if you want to know what happened after that, it is going up, right? So when I came out, it's come out just for you guys to show. This is an Y point. This is also a support and resistance, which is calculated dynamically. These RA, RBs and pivot, all those lines are pre-calculated based on the historical data. But this is Y point, this line coming up. This is, by the way, this is 1 minute candle, and this is 1 minute chart, and this is 2 minute chart. And then when you see these lines are dynamically created, we call it as Y point. So the moment you see Y point, you need to consider that one as a support or resistance based on where you are getting it, and then you need to act accordingly. So I just came out here. I would have waited. I may get like 1% more, but again the market is going down. Sorry, the Apple is going down. So the pressure that you need to hold yourself, like you have 3%, now you will be like minus, now you are getting positive. So you need to be in a different emotion. So I don't want to, like, as long as I get 5 to 10%, I'll be out, and if I'm losing like 4%, I'll be out as well, and then look for a fresh trade. That is the practice you are doing, like every trade. Let me click on game, pick up a new day. So now when you see it is March 19, 2019, March 2019, the day is 26. It's 26 March 2019. That's the day system picks up. So let's see how that day looks like. For 6 minutes, all right. So shows kind of a green market, but BA, see, the BA is going against the market. Maybe some news came in, or something is happening with the BA at that day, which is irrelevant for us. We are pure technical traders. Just we will go with our rules. FedEx looks interesting. SPY looks interesting too, but let me go with FedEx. I'm not going to enter here because it is so close to RA. There is not much between RA line and where it's going. So I want to wait what's going to happen. If it breaks very powerfully and I have the volume, then I'll think about entering. If it is not, let me go and shop for the other one. Tesla, let's see Tesla. Ooh, Tesla looks interesting because it's a multi-day trend, and also RB, both the things it's trying to break. But is it going to break? Not sure. We see an Y point in the 1 minute, so I'm not entering right now. If it has, but it has the volume. So if it is coming out powerful, then I will look at it, or else like let's wait for another 10 seconds. No, I don't, because it came below RB, so I don't want to enter. See, I didn't enter because it's running. Now it's coming down. If I would have entered in a call, then I would be expecting some interesting loss. So let's see. I'm pressing right arrow so that I can move on a little further to see, like, is there any interesting trade going to happen on that day. So this day looks little dull. could be a Tesla a trade, but it is the time zone is really over. I'm on 5:54, sorry, 9:54. And again, like, you are not going to get trade every day. There must be a skip day you may do. Market would be so flat, there is no volatile, or market is extremely crazy, because when the market starts, it starts with like 600 points down or 800 points down, which is happening in couple of past days. I'm recording this video on December 24th 2021. When you go back and see those days, last week, it is really interesting. It's going down like 1,000 points, coming up, it's crazy. So if market starts very low and it plays flat, you may not get any trade, even though market go violent. But if the volatility is not there on any of the stocks, then you may not catch anything, which is good. You have your money and you will wait for another day to trade. Nvidia looks good, but it's really close to RB. Volume is piling up, but I'm really worried about the candle, how it looks like. So no. So let's get into another day quickly. Let's see. This is 17th of May 2017. Interesting. Allow this CT filters to run. This is nothing but our algorithm, where you are seeing this triangle and circle. This is an independent algorithm. Since it's a pre-loaded day, so we need to run this algorithm. When you are getting into the live market, where you can able to see these indicators dynamically created whenever you receive the data. All right, 6 minutes going. Look at this, right? So these are all the moment on that particular day. Nothing is happening. So this is also a skip day, it seems. I thought of doing another one trade before closing it out. Let's see. What is, oh, July 2021, the day is 19th. That's the day here. So let the algorithm run. Let's see. Six minutes. Nvidia looks good. Let's see. Let's wait for another 10 seconds to see what it going to do. Okay, I'm entering. Why I'm entering? It went all the way up, trying to come down. Now it's going to climb up. So 27%. See, 2 days I skipped, patiently waited, and I got 27%. This one definitely it will go much more further, but I don't want to wait. See here, if I would have waited, not going out, so I would have got like 50% at this point, but I don't want. 27% is huge, and I'm good with it. Like in 10 seconds, hardly, like 20 seconds, 27%, I'm done for the day. Alright, this is how you can practice yourself. In the future videos, I'll tell you like how you can able to log your trade and assess your trade. And we are here to help you if you want to really interested and start on this journey to see and explore, like, okay, is this best fit for you or not. The commitment for this one is you need to practice crazy with this simulation. Nothing harm in it. Any day you want, you can pick up a day, you can practice it for like half an hour or 1 hour day, and then you can see like how you are doing. The second step would be is, as I put it on the previous videos. You need to open an interactive broker account, you need to connect to them, and then connect with the practice or a paper account, I would say, and then practice it on the paper account. The commitment is you need to sit in the market between 6:30 to 7:30 PST timing. So you need to understand, you need to wake up early if you are a if you are want to trade, and then you need to be with the market, you need to understand, and you need to get in and get out for that 1 hour. So it's basically a commitment, and you need to change your way of life little bit to be a day trader. So these are all the commitments. If you are interested, we can explore more, and we are all traders. This one was built over more than 10 years with a couple of my brothers, I would say. If you are really interested, we can talk more, but this one we use every day to do the trading, and this is for the traders by the trader. Thank you everyone, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.